Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It's me again. So firstly, just like and subscribe to supporting me, make a lot of video in the future. So in this lesson today, I will introduce you about the project we using the solar sensor interfacing with our microcontroller PIC16F877A. So the first, I will introduce you about the schematic. As you can see, we have our microcontroller PIC16F877A, and here we using the external crystal. We have one reset button and the power LED. Using this LED to turn on when we power supply this LCD screen. Using it to display the value of the soil and display a lot of information in this. If you want, you can see it's very important. And here our sensor, the soil sensor, and this soil sensor will communicate with our microcontroller and using the ADC system to communicate. And we using the data transfer from the soil sensor to the microcontroller using this data, and we measure this. After that, we have the soil data. Using the soil data to control this pump, and right now I'm using the value 50%. If the source sensor data is higher than 50%, I will turn off the pump, and if lower 50%, I will turn on the pump. You can using this project and using the source sensor to view the garden, make the smart IoT using this a lot of project, right? So now I will run simulate to show you how does it work. So first thing you can see, we warm up a little bit thing delayed, but it doesn't matter. Wait a second, okay? Right now, when our system works smooth, you can see the value of the humidity right now, 69%, and the pump turn off, okay? The power supply LED turn on. Right now, we change about the solar sensor using this function. Okay, when I change it, and right now you can see it's 99%. I will turn it down. Now you can see in this, right? We change a lot of, and the value right now is lower 50%. You can see we turn on the pump, using the pump to make a lot of water to increase about the humidity, right? Where the humidity is very low. Okay, it works very smooth, work very well. And you can see later for furthermore information and want to develop your knowledge or your skill, don't hesitate to enroll my course, the online course with the link below. Okay, change this value. When the value is higher than 50%, the pump will turn off. Okay, work very well. And I think you just like and subscribe to supporting me, make a lot of video in the future to say a lot of project you can develop by yourself, make a real project by yourself. But if you want to learn more about the knowledge and develop a lot of projects in the future, don't hesitate to enroll my course with the link below. It's about the content. I introduce about the content with the link below. You can make the overview, and after that enroll. And any further information to report, we have the WhatsApp, email, a lot of things. You can connect to me via WhatsApp. I will immediately answer your question. Okay, see you in the next lesson.